Now, racing of a different kind on the 5-2 third choice Wall Street Trader on the former champion jockey Christopher Mamdine for trainer Rowan Matty coasted to victory in the Ash Wednesday Trophy, the feature event on the 10-race card at Caymanas Park. The 7-year-old Darby Gelding overhauled long-time leader Don Kwesi in deep stretch to win the overnight allowance contest over 6.5 furlongs by 3 3/4 lengths in 1:20 seconds flat.
Coffee there at the top of the lane is in the Ash Wednesday Trophy, and it is still Don Kwesi, Wall Street Trader, pestering on the outside. Don Kwesi in front, Wall Street Trader, Bulletproof Coffee trying to pick them up, and Oil Machine is also coming on, and now Wall Street Trader joins Don Kwesi. Wall Street Trader in front of Don Kwesi. Oil Machine is finishing well, also finishing fast. That Sensational Soul, but it is Wall Street Trader waltzing away with the Ash Wednesday Trophy. Wall Street Trader beats Oil Machine, got tight for third, either Sensational Soul, Bulletproof Coffee, or Don Kwesi.
The most improved trainer for 2025, Peter John Prasad, saddled 3 winners, while Tevin Foster had a double among the jockeys. The season continues on Saturday with a 10-race program.